Open your Bitcoin wallet right now and go looking for your Bitcoin. Scroll around in there. You will not find a single coin. There is nothing in it that is money. There is one thing in it: your keys. That is not a bug, and it is not a metaphor. A Bitcoin wallet does not hold Bitcoin. It never did. The word wallet is doing the damage. It makes you picture a billfold with cash folded inside, an object that contains your money. A Bitcoin wallet is nothing like that. So, if your Bitcoin is not in the wallet, where is it? And what is that key actually for?
Here is what the wallet actually holds. Keys. A private key is a long, secret number, and it does exactly one job. It proves you have the right to move a specific amount of Bitcoin. Think of your car key. The key does not contain the car. It is not the engine or the seats. It is a small thing in your pocket that grants you the right to start the car and drive it away. Your Bitcoin key is the same. It does not hold your Bitcoin. It is the proof, and the only proof, that you are the one allowed to move it. A wallet is a keyring, not a vault.
So if it is not in the wallet, where is your Bitcoin? It is on the ledger. Bitcoin is not a file on your phone or a coin on a device. It is an entry in a shared record of every transaction ever made. And that record is not kept in one place. A full copy of it lives on more than 20,000 computers around the world, each about 750 gigabytes, each one holding the entire history and checking it against the rules. Your Bitcoin is a line in that ledger. That ledger sits on all of those machines at once, which means your Bitcoin sits everywhere and nowhere in particular. There is no vault, no server, no building you could point to. There is a number that thousands of independent computers agree is yours.
So what does it mean to own Bitcoin? Not to possess an object, to hold the exclusive right to move a specific amount of value on that ledger. Think of your email. Anyone can know your address and send to it, but only the password can open it and send from it. A Bitcoin address works the same way. The address is public. Anyone can send to it and see the balance, and only your private key can move what is there. The analogy breaks in one important place. A forgotten email password can be reset by the provider. There is no provider for Bitcoin, and no reset. That is the price of no one being able to seize it. So the 12 to 24 word backup of your key is the one thing you truly have to protect.
Put it together and one rule falls out. Whoever holds the keys holds the Bitcoin. If you hold your own keys, no one on earth can move your coins without you. That is non-custodial. If you leave your Bitcoin on an exchange, the exchange holds the keys. You have a claim on Bitcoin the exchange controls, a line on their internal ledger that says they owe it to you. If you are just starting out, that is a perfectly fine place to begin, and a reputable exchange is where almost everyone does. It only means someone else is holding the keys for now. FTX, back in 2022, is why holding your own is worth growing into. Customers watched their balances freeze while the company that held the keys collapsed. So this is a direction, not a deadline, and it gets its own episode. Not your keys, not your coins is not a scare line. It is just how the system works. So set the billfold picture aside. Bitcoin is not a thing you hold. It is a right only you can exercise, and the key is what proves the right is yours.